Using Dropbox gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to redeem your card for additional storage or subscription services. Follow these steps to make the most of your gift card. Step 1. Access your Dropbox account. Log into your existing Dropbox account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. You will need an active account to redeem your gift card. Step 2. Locate the gift card redemption page. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or Account Management section of your Dropbox account. Look for the option that mentions redeeming gift cards or promotional codes. Step 3. Enter the gift card code. Carefully enter the code found on your gift card into the designated field. Make sure to input the code exactly as it appears, without any spaces or extra characters. Step 4. Confirm the redemption. After entering the code, click on the Redeem or Submit button. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your gift card has been successfully redeemed and any applicable storage or subscription benefits. Step 5. Enjoy your benefits. Once redeemed, you can start using the additional storage or subscription features that come with your gift card. Check your account to see the updated storage capacity or subscription status. By following these steps, you can easily redeem your Dropbox gift card and enhance your cloud storage experience. Enjoy your new features.